What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at Vechain here, and as we can see, it does look as though it's getting very overextended to the downside right now. We have got this resistance that we have been stuck under for essentially the past few weeks, forming what can only be described as, this big falling wedge, something like this. We're getting very close to the bottom of this macro channel as well, as you can see, and inherently when we do get down towards this and touch this, we do get the bounce to the upside. Historically, you can see here, we just go back and zoom in on some of these areas. Every time we came down into this area here, we did get a bounce to the upside, which is obviously something that we're looking for now as well, now that we're getting down towards those kinds of areas. We are basically looking for that bounce, aren't we? And we do think that it's going to come fairly soon. We have got bullish divergences here. As you can see, RSI is actually losing momentum to the downside. Obviously, the histogram not looking too ideal, but if we look at the hourly time frame, you can see bullish divergences all over the place here. If you just take a look here, you've obviously got this massive one here. Basically all over the place, got bullish divergences with the histogram as well. You can see here histogram coming up. Price actually coming down, and you can just see overall, looking at all these time frames, we've got bullish divergences. Got a big bullish divergence here as well. So you can see we are looking for that bounce pretty damn soon, and the lower that we go, the more chance that we're going to get that elastic band feeling with the market where we do snap back to fair value, because we are getting pretty oversold right now. And just like we did here, where we basically, we kept rolling over, didn't we? And we got really oversold. The more oversold that you do get, the more chance of that bounce, and it does look as though we are coming down, back down towards, being really oversold here, and that bounce is going to be coming pretty damn soon in our opinion. So if we do start to come down into this area here, where basically we are coming down and testing the bottom of that macro channel, we do think that the bounce is going to be quite likely, especially considering the bullish divergences. The bullish divergences and also the, how overextended we are getting to the downside. We got a lot of support here. Got a decent amount of support in and around this area here, structure-wise as well, so we'd probably expect a bit of a bounce quite soon. And you could say potentially we've got a bit of an inverse head and shoulders looking something like this. And obviously if we did come back up towards this area here and get that bounce to the upside, we'd obviously have a pretty tasty target here for Vechain, coming well back into that 20 cent area, maybe 25-ish cents. So, everyone's really bearish on Vechain right now, but we do genuinely think with the wider market going into October, we're going to start getting a really nice pump overall. And if that happens, then we're obviously going to be getting a really nice pump for Vechain as well. So obviously got this falling wedge, so short-term price predictions, we could sweep these lows again, coming back down, maybe down to around this 8 cent level before getting that pickup. We do think that this is probably a decent area to target for a bounce. Maybe a little bit lower, potentially down to around 7 cents if we get overextended before getting that bounce. But we really do think that that bounce is going to come pretty soon. And obviously if we do start to break this level here, back test it as support, we've obviously got some targets coming back up to around that 10 cent level and beyond. And as we will continue to say, we do think 50 cents to $1 for Vechain is very possible, considering, just how good this project is. Our fundamentals will probably win out in the end. So that's it guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.